Assalamu alaikum. I'm here on stage of Ali English House Academy. We give the opportunity to our students to develop their communication and personality through the speeches and the interviews. So let's have a interview with this boy. So before that, I would like to announce that we have this communication skill, spoken English and Kannada classes for the public. That's from 5:30 to 7 o'clock. So the public of Tumkur, they can take the advantage of it. So let me speak to this boy now, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Sal.
Muhammad Saad. Where's your house?
My house is in Gauri Bindur.
Gauri Bidnur. Okay. How did you come from Gauri Bidnur to Tumkur?
By car.
By car. Okay. And what's your father's name?
My father name is Saifullah.
What's your mother's name?
My mother name is Laikha.
Okay. Who is your favorite, father or mother?
Both.
Okay. Who gives you punishment sometimes?
Father.
That's good. That will make you even more successful. And about your family, do you have any brother or sister?
I have one brother and one sister.
Okay. What are their names?
My brother name is Zaid.
Okay. And what's your sister's name?
My sister name is Safia Firdos.
Okay. Do you fight with your brother or sister sometimes?
No sir.
Okay. And about your favorites, what's your favorite food?
Biryani.
What's your favorite juice?
Maza.
One biryani and maza. Just joking. And what's your favorite vegetable?
Carrot.
Carrot. Okay. What's your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Mango and maza made up of mango. Okay. What's your favorite chocolate?
Munch.
What's your favorite ice cream?
Chocobar.
What's your favorite subject?
Max.
You like maths? Okay. How much is 8 plus 8?
16.
16. I thought it is 88. No? Okay, 16. Correct. And after completing your education, what you want to become in life?
Alim.
You want to become alim. Alim means Islamic scholar. After studying the Islamic studies or Islamic theology, you get the graduation from the Arabic colleges. So that's called alim, mashallah. So let's give a big round of applause to him. He wants to become alim. Let's clap for him. Okay. Then more about yourself. Like, what's your favorite tourist place where you want to go?
Makkah, Medina.
MashaAllah, that's great. So Makkah and Medina are the holy places where every Muslim dream to visit there, inshallah. And who is your best friend here?
All.
All are your best friends, okay. And who is your class teacher?
My class teacher is Zakaria sir.
Okay. And who is your Arabic teacher?
My Arabic teacher is Yaqub Hazrat.
Okay. So what you are studying in Arabic? Qaida or Nazira?
Qaida.
Okay. How many chapters did you complete in Qaida?
2.
2 chapters. Okay, that's good. And about your school. What's the name of your school? Where are you studying?
My school name is Ali Public School.
Okay, which class you are studying in?
6th standard.
Okay. Do you like Ali Public School?
Yes, I like Ali Public School.
What do you like in Ali Public School?
Reading and teaching.
Okay. And about your teachers, like how many teachers are there in your school? Do you know?
No sir.
Okay, there are many. Okay. Do you have the facility to play here? Do you like playing here with the friends?
Yes sir.
What's your favorite sports or game?
Cricket.
You like to play cricket? Okay. Who is your favorite cricketer?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli you like? Okay. What's your favorite cricket team?
KKR.
KKR you like, but Virat Kohli plays for RCB? Okay, that's fine. Fine. It was nice talking to you and all the best for your future.
Jazakallah khairan. Have a nice day.
You too have a nice day. Barakallahu feekum. With the interview of another student, we'll be back. Please share and subscribe. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum.